Hi you guys, so today I'm going to prepare a simple and easy tostada of jicama. This one right here, this is jicama, it's a root. All you do is shred it, and we're going to add spinach, which I cut up in a chopper, some tomato, there's 5 tomatoes, 1 onion, red onion, 3 bell peppers, the mini ones, 1 whole jalapeno with seeds, and this is the jicama, and this is shredded. Combine it all together, and we're going to use these tostada shells. Good brand, very crunchy. And we're going to add it all in here. Again, my hands are clean. We're going to combine every one of this in here. And you can touch it up and make it your own. You don't have to add spinach. I add spinach because sometimes the cilantro doesn't look good, or maybe parsley's not around, but you can mix it up and make it your own. I made this my own. This is not anybody's recipe. And I'm going to add a lemon to it, a whole lemon, or lime, I should say. I'm going to add a whole lime. What a juicy lime, look at that. And we're going to add our seasonings. I have here onion powder. Give it a good amount. I have white pepper. I don't use black pepper. It's up to you what you guys use. I use this one. Okay, and then I use garlic powder, which is very good. And again, like I said, use whatever you guys want. Make it your own. And then this is like a tablespoon of Himalayan. You're going to add maybe half of this. Add half. Not too salty. Okay. Then we incorporate all of it. This flavor. Look at how the color. And it's a simple tostada when you're working, coming home late, you don't have nothing to prepare. Just get yourself a jicama. If you have these in your refrigerator, make it your own. And then how I do it and plate it is I get a tostada shell. I put it on top. And like I said, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to make 2. And then here I have cheese. You put a little pinch, not going to hurt. A little pinch, not going to hurt. And I use this Mexican crema, cacique. And just drizzle what you want. And you can make it a lot, a little bit. Some people like to incorporate lots of it. And then add your favorite salsa, or whatever salsita you guys like. Wonderful. I prefer tapatio. And who wants the first bite? How does it taste? There you go.
I'll take 4.